Watch this video for the hottest and latest global tori make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. Israel don confirm say dem strike one centrifuge site inside Tehran plus weapon factories overnight. The attack na part of their latest move against Iran. Iran sef no quiet. Dem launch their own missile attacks back for Israel, but according to reports, e no strong like before. Sirens bin sound 2 times through the night. For US, President Donald Trump don warn say their patience dey finish before e come post another one wey talk say unconditional surrender. But e also talk say dem no go kill Iran supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, at least not for now. US media talk say Trump dey think whether to join Israel to bomb Iran underground nuclear locations, whereas Khamenei don open mouth for strong reply say Iran no go ever gree with Israel and dem go show no mercy to the Zionists. Europe still divide on top the matter. France dey warn make nobody push for regime change, but Germany dey happy say Israel dey handle the hard part. UAE Foreign Minister Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan don call on the UN Security Council make dem quick do something to stop the fight between Israel and Iran. The minister talk say e dey important make diplomacy enter before the matter waka enter dangerous level. E warn say if dem no take time, the fight fit cross Israel and Iran border go affect other countries. UAE dey beg for urgent ceasefire before the wahala spin out of control. President Donald Trump wey quick comot for the G7 summit wey happen for Alberta, Canada on Monday night say e wan face the wahala for Middle East sharp sharp. The fight between Israel and Iran na the major matter wey cover the whole summit. The G7 leaders sef sign joint statement beg make everybody cool down, call for ceasefire for Gaza and make wahala no escalate. Even though Trump waka early, according to reports, the man presence still strong for the summit ground. As world leaders dey reason serious global matters, e dey clear say wetin Trump think or go do still dey influence the whole talk. WhatsApp don raise alarm say dem dey worried as Iranian government dey tell people make dem delete the app from their phone. Iranian state TV claim without proof say WhatsApp dey collect user info send am go Israel. But WhatsApp wey Meta get don deny am straight. Dem talk say dem no dey track people location, dem no dey save who people dey message, and dem no dey read anybody private message. Dem add say dem no dey give any government bulk info because of their end-to-end encryption. Even WhatsApp no fit see wetin people dey chat. The company fear say dis kind false info fit be excuse for Iran to block the app, especially now wey people need am pass. China don begin move their citizens comot for Tehran for Iran, according to wetin China news media talk. The first batch of Chinese people don waka comot from Tehran enter Turkmenistan by road on Tuesday. Na so the government news agency report. Serious rain beat wey fall for West Virginia don cause flash flood wey kill at least 6 people, including one small pikin wey be just 3 years old. Rescue people still dey find others wey dey miss as the water scatter roads, carry cars and damage houses anyhow. Video from the area show say road don turn river and many houses don really scatter no be small. Authorities say dem still dey work to reach all the affected places. US authorities don charge 7 California men for one heavy jewellery robbery wey happen almost 3 years ago, wey dem call the biggest ever for US history. The suspects thief gold, gems and luxury watches wey worth $100 million. The whole thing happen when one Brinks truck dey carry 73 bags of jewellery comot from one show near San Francisco. As the truck stop for one quiet place for Lubbock, California, one driver bin dey sleep inside while the other one go shop. Na there dem strike. According to court papers, the suspects don dey trail the truck from San Mateo. Dem even follow am for about 300 miles. When the truck stop for Lubbock, dem steal 24 bags full of expensive items. Officials never talk how the men take open the truck, but dem believe say dem saw the padlock break. Dem no use any weapon. The truck bin dey go another jewelry show for Pasadena, when the thing happen on 11 July 2022. Dem don recover some of the stolen items after police search some places on June 16. For now, e never clear whether the suspects get lawyers wey go speak for dem. Russia don tok say North Korea go send thousands of pipo come help dem rebuild dia Kursk region wey don scatter because of war. Na Russia Security Council Secretary Sergei Shoigu break di news after e meet with Kim Jong-un for Pyongyang on Tuesday. Shoigu call am fraternal assistance from North Korea according to Russian reporters. Dem say over 5,000 pipo go come, 2 military brigades and builders plus another 1,000 pipo wey sabi clear landmines. North Korea still dey plan more with Russia as both leaders talk about long-term agreements, but South Korea and Japan no happy. Dem talk say dis move break UN sanctions against North Korea. South Korea government talk say dem get serious wahala with dis kind of illegal cooperation. Japan sef don raise alarm. Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshimasa Hayashi talk say e go worsen the Ukraine matter and disturb peace around Japan. Plenty flights wey suppose enter or comot from Bali don cancel after Mount Lewitobi Laki for Flores Island burst again on Tuesday. Through ash go over 11 kilometers high for sky. The volcano wey dey among the most active for Indonesia erupt around 5:35 p.m. local time according to Volcanology Agency. Dem raise alert to the highest level and warn everybody make dem no near anywhere within 7 kilometers. So far, no report of anybody wey wound or die, but flight movement don jam. Over 20 flights don cancel for Gusti Ngurah Airport, Air India, Air New Zealand, Jetstar, Singapore Airlines, Virgin Australia and more don cancel or delay their flights. Even Air Asia domestic flights to Flores don stop. The volcano don disturb before. E erupt for November and kill 9 people, plus thousands run comot for their houses. They don advise people to wear face masks to avoid to inhale ash. At least one village don evacuate and ash dey fall for some other villages outside the danger zone. The volcano still dey shake small, meaning say e never calm down. And the last one for today, people wey sabi don raise alarm say artificial intelligence (AI) don begin make child abuse matter worse. The Internet Watch Foundation (IWF) for UK talk say the kind fake AI generated images wey dem dey see don increase by 300% for 2024 alone, and e fit make people dey chase children wey no dey real or even ignore real ones. IWF na group wey dey remove child abuse pictures from online. Dem talk say the AI pics wey dem dey see now don dey so realistic even experts no fit tell the difference again. Dan Sexton, wey be IWF Chief Technology Officer, warn say police and rescue workers fit waste time dey try to save children wey AI just create. Worse still, dem fit see real pikin wey dey suffer and think say na fake. Dem first start to dey notice the fake con ten t around 2 years ago, but now the AI don improve well. Sexton say sometimes the picture dey mix with real ones and dem no go even sabi which one be which. One analyst still share one painful example, say one girl wey suffer real abuse since 2011, even after dem catch the abuser, AI now don dey produce fresh fake pictures of the same girl, and the fake ones even worse than the original one. She talk say this kind thing na real wahala because even though AI create the new images, na real human dey suffer the emotional wound. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.